Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to see how we can apply for Wipro National Level Talent Hunt 2021. But before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update. So first of all, you will have to click on the link which is given in the description of this video, and here as you can see the registration will open from 10th December 2020 and the last date to apply is 5th January 2021. And the date of assessment will be between 18th of January to 23rd of January 2021. Now talking about the eligibility criteria, so you should have 60% or above in your 10th and 12th, and you should also have 65% or above in your graduation, and your year of passing should be 2021. So if you are in 7th semester, then you should have at least 65% or equivalent CGPA till your 6th semester. And remember, this drive is only for students from BE, BTech or 5-year integrated MTech. So if you are from BCA or BSc or any other course, then you cannot apply for this drive. But don't worry, Wipro is also hiring for the BCA and BSc graduates. So just go to our Telegram channel and you will get an apply link for that drive. The link of the Telegram channel is available in the description box. Now talking about the branch, so the branches which are eligible are CS, IT and Circuital. The designation is Project Engineer and the package is 3.5 lakhs per annum, which is quite good for freshers. Also, there are some other criteria like you should not have more than 3 years of education gap, and with this there should not be any backlog at the time of the selection process. Now the selection process is almost same as the previous year pattern. So first of all, you will have an online test which has 3 sections. First, aptitude test which has questions from logical ability, quantitative ability and verbal ability, and the duration of this section will be 48 minutes. Now the second one is a written communication test which will have an essay, and the duration of this section will be 20 minutes. And the third section is programming test which will have 2 coding questions which you can solve in any of the programming languages like C, C++, Java or Python, and the duration of this section will be 60 minutes. So if you want to prepare for these sections, you can watch our videos where we have solved some of the previous year questions. The link is available in the description of this video. Now let's see how you can apply. So there is a apply now button here. So you just need to click here and you will be directed to this page. And once again you will have to click on the apply. And here we need to enter our email ID and then we need to click on the next button. And in this you will have to enter your details. First of all, you need to upload your CV or resume, and remember the size of the resume should not be more than 5 MB. Then you have to upload your photograph with white background, and you can upload this from your device, Google Drive or Dropbox. Then you have to create a login ID, and in this login box you can enter your username which you will have to remember for the future logins. Then you can create a password and re-enter the password here. And then you have to enter your personal details. So first of all, select a salutation according to your choice. Then you have to enter your first name and the last name as per the Aadhaar card. Then enter your email ID, and then you have to enter your primary and secondary phone number. And then you will have to enter your address. So select the type of address as home, then enter your address in the box and your city in this box. And then you have to select your country. So select India here if you are a resident of India, and then select your state. Then you have to enter your postal code or pin code here. And if you have more than one address, then you can click here and add the address also. Here you will have to enter your date of birth. So select a month, then date, and then enter your year of birth. After this, you have to select an identity type like Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card or any of these, and then you just need to enter your identity number. So if you select Aadhaar card, then you will have to enter your Aadhaar card number here. Now next is education. So first of all, you will have to enter your 10th class school name, then your 10th class year of passing, and here you need to enter your roll number of 10th class, and then select the state of your 10th class school. Then here you need to select either percentage or CGPA, and here you need to enter your percentage or CGPA up to 2 decimal places. Then you will have to enter your 12th class school name, then your 12th class year of passing, and here you need to enter your roll number of 10th class. And then you need to select the state of your 12th class school. Then here you need to select either percentage or CGPA, and similarly here also you need to enter your percentage or CGPA up to 2 decimal places. Now here you need to select your preferences of the time zone, and then you have to click on the submit profile. Now on this page you just need to select the checkbox and then click on the submit button. Now the next section is diversity, and here you can read all this and then go to race and select Asian if you are a resident of India. Then select your gender and click on the submit button. The next section is job specific questions. Here the first question is, do you have any backlog? So you need to select no. And the next question is, do you have more than 3 years of gap? So you also need to select no here. And then click on the submit button. Now the last section is graduation details form. So you need to enter your graduation details here. First of all, click on this graduation and select undergraduation here. Then in the institution type, you can select other option if you do not belong to IIT, NIT or IIIT. Then you have to enter your university registration number, which is your roll number. Then select the state of your college and select district. Then here you need to find your college name and select that. Then in the course, you need to select your course as BE or BTech and then select your branch. Then in the year of passing, you need to select 2021. Then in the CGPA percentage, select CGPA. If your university result is in CGPA, then enter your CGPA here. And if you have done post-graduation, you can fill all these details also. And then you can save or submit your application. So here we will click on the submit button. So as you can see, your application was submitted successfully. So this was the complete process to register for Wipro NLTH. If you want to watch more such kind of videos in future, please don't forget to subscribe the Coding Bytes. And for the latest placement resources, you can visit our website Prep Drive. The link is also available in the description box. Thanks for watching.